Welcome to Juli Foodies Hub, where today we will uncover 35 foods you should never keep in the refrigerator. And trust me, some of these will shock you. By the end of this video, you will know the everyday mistakes almost everyone makes and how to finally store your food the right way. 1. Tomatoes. Cold air makes tomatoes lose their natural flavor and turn mealy. Researchers at the University of Florida found that refrigeration actually stops the enzymes that give tomatoes their rich taste. So, keep them on the counter just like Grandma did. 2. Potatoes. When refrigerated, potatoes turn their starch into sugar, which changes their flavor and makes them gritty when cooked. Even the UK Food Standards Agency warns that chilling potatoes increases acrylamide risk, a harmful chemical when frying. Quick tip: store them in a cool, dark cupboard instead. Hey, hold on. Tap that red button now to subscribe so you do not miss more clever food-saving tricks like this. 3. Onions. The fridge makes onions soft and moldy. Plus, they will make everything else smell. Store them in a mesh bag at room temperature instead. 4. Bread. Fridge equals stale bread faster. Cold air speeds up retrogradation, which is a fancy way of saying the starch molecules harden. Fun fact: bakeries never refrigerate bread. They sell it fresh or freeze it if needed. 5. Honey. Here is a promise. Stick around, because before the end of this video, I will reveal a fascinating fact about honey that will blow your mind. But first, here is the basics. Refrigerating honey makes it crystallize quickly. That is why experts like the National Honey Board recommend room temperature storage. 6. Garlic. In the fridge, garlic turns rubbery and moldy. Instead, keep it in a basket where air can circulate. 7. Coffee. Are you surprised? Do not be, because it gets even weirder. Coffee absorbs odors in the fridge, ruining both your brew and the other foods. Store coffee beans in an airtight jar, away from light. Let us know in the comments. Do you keep your coffee in the fridge? 8. Bananas. Cold air slows down ripening and makes the skin black. Nature already gave bananas their own protective packaging, so no fridge needed. 9. Olive oil. Chilled olive oil solidifies into a butter-like texture. Experts from the Olive Oil Times note that the best storage is a cool cupboard, not a fridge. 10. Avocados. Unripe avocados do not ripen in the fridge. Keep them out until soft, then you can refrigerate briefly. Hey, foodies, feel free to spread the love by clicking that like button and sharing this video with friends who keep their bread in the fridge. 11. Melons. According to the USDA, whole melons should stay at room temperature until cut. Refrigeration lowers antioxidant levels like beta-carotene. 12. Cucumbers. Cold temperatures cause watery spots. Ever notice cucumbers get slimy in the fridge? That is why. 13. Carrots. Fridge air makes them bitter. Wrap them in paper towels in a cupboard instead. 14. Apples. Cold breaks down texture. They last weeks in a fruit bowl without chilling. 15. Chocolate. Ever seen white powder on your chocolate? That is sugar bloom from fridge moisture. Experts at Hershey's say cool, dry storage is best. 16. Hot sauce. Most hot sauces contain vinegar and salt, natural preservatives. Refrigeration is not needed and can dull the spice. 17. Peaches. Cold makes peaches lose their juicy texture. Keep them on the counter until ripe. 18. Pineapple. Fridge stops ripening too soon. Keep it out until you cut it. 19. Nuts. Fridge odors seep into nuts, ruining their flavor. Store in jars instead. 20. Herbal oils. Cold destroys flavor compounds. Instead, keep them tightly sealed in a cupboard. 21. Ketchup. With vinegar, sugar, and salt, it lasts just fine outside. Myth busted. It does not go bad fast at room temperature. 22. Soy sauce. Fermented foods like soy sauce do not need refrigeration, unless it is low sodium. 23. Pickles. Another myth. Thanks to vinegar, they are self-preserving. Fridge is optional. 24. Berries. Unless washed and eaten quickly, cold air makes them mushy. 25. Basil. Fridge ruins basil, like putting it in a freezer. Keep in water, like flowers. 26. Pears. Like apples, pears ripen best outside. 27. Mangoes. Fridge halts ripening, leaving them dull. 28. Citrus fruits. Fridge makes the skin hard. Leave on counter. 29. Cereal. Moisture from the fridge makes it stale. 30. Peppers. Bell peppers lose crispness in the fridge. 31. Cake. Unless it is cream-filled, room temperature is best. 32. Tortillas. They stiffen in the fridge. Airtight container outside works better. 33. Peanut butter. Natural preservatives make refrigeration unnecessary. It just hardens the spread. 34. Dried fruits. Fridge moisture makes them sticky. Airtight jars are better. 35. Honey, the fascinating secret. Remember that promise? Here it is. Archaeologists discovered jars of honey in 3,000-year-old Egyptian tombs that were still perfectly edible. Honey is the only food that never spoils, and that is exactly why putting it in the fridge is not only unnecessary, but actually harmful to its quality. So next time you reach for the fridge door, remember this list. You will keep your food tastier, fresher, and even healthier. Which of these surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Juli Foodies Hub for more eye-opening food hacks. Because here, every bite counts.